What's good, fam? While you were sleeping last night, someone just turned a $50 consumer drone into an AI killing machine that hunts humans. And plot twist, they're not making just one. They're making millions. This is literally breaking the internet right now, and 99% of people scrolling have no idea this is happening. Comment insane if this is the first time you're hearing about this because your jaw is about to drop. I'm Silent Soul Scripts. And the story I'm about to break down is all over social media, but no one's talking about how terrifying this really is. Let's rewind a bit. Drones are nothing new. They've been used for decades, mostly by military forces for reconnaissance, surveillance, and yes, even targeted strikes. But what's new here is how a cheap, widely available consumer drone is being turned into a lethal, autonomous killing machine. Picture this, a drone you can buy on Amazon for less than $500. Now imagine engineers, hackers, and military contractors upgrading it with AI chips, facial recognition, and autonomous flight software in under 2 hours. That's not science fiction. It's happening right now. Reports surfaced just days ago that Eastern European forces plan to manufacture 4 million of these AI-powered drones in 2025. 4 million. To put that into perspective, most Western militaries currently operate fewer than 15,000 military drones. These drones don't require pilots. They don't have a control room. They make decisions themselves. The AI on board can scan an area, identify faces, track targets, and eliminate them, all without a single human operator. Sounds like a movie, right? But it's not. These drones are cheap, fast to produce, and swarm capable, meaning hundreds can launch at once, coordinate attacks, and overwhelm traditional defenses. Think of it like a hive of killer bees, only each bee is smarter, faster, and deadly. And here's the thing, the technology is accessible. You don't need to be a government to get your hands on it. The parts are available in electronics stores. The AI software is open source or stolen from labs, which means rogue actors, terror groups, criminals, even lone wolves could soon have an air force that dwarfs that of global superpowers. Scary, right? And it gets worse. Because these drones don't just follow pre-programmed GPS routes. They use facial recognition to pick out individuals from hundreds of feet away. They can identify vehicles, uniforms, even weapons. And once they lock on, it's game over. Now think about what this means for privacy, for safety, for warfare itself. We're entering a new era, one where warfare is fully autonomous. No pilots to capture, no signals to jam, no command centers to bomb. Just digital hunters in the sky, relentlessly tracking and targeting, and experts warn that international law hasn't caught up. There are no rules regulating autonomous weapons at scale, no treaties, no bans. This is the Wild West of modern warfare. And the consequences? Potentially catastrophic. Entire cities could become targets based on flawed AI decisions. What if the AI is biased? What if innocent civilians get targeted because of race, location, or mistaken identity? That's not a sci-fi nightmare. It's military testing reports we've seen recently. And it raises serious ethical questions. Who's responsible when an AI kills the wrong person? The programmer? The commander? The machine itself? We don't have answers yet, but the tech is moving faster than regulation. Here's another mind blower. These drones operate in swarms, hundreds, sometimes thousands, working as a single unit. They communicate, share data, and adapt in real time. They can avoid collisions, divide targets, and overwhelm defense systems. It's like a super organism. And it's learning, it's evolving, faster than we can understand. So what does this mean for you? First, privacy as we know it is gone. If a drone can identify your face from 500 feet, cameras everywhere just got a lot scarier. Second, personal security is at risk. Traditional protection systems weren't designed to handle swarms of tiny, autonomous drones. Trying to shoot them down one by one is like trying to kill mosquitoes with a baseball bat. Third, warfare is changing forever, and not just on the battlefield. This tech could be used to control, surveil, and intimidate populations globally. Imagine authoritarian regimes deploying millions of these drones to crush dissent, or corporations using them for extreme surveillance. The possibilities are terrifying. Now, I know this is heavy, but it's important, because while everyone's busy worrying about AI taking jobs, the real revolution is happening in the skies, and most people don't even realize it. So, what can we do? First, stay informed. Second, push for international laws banning autonomous weapons. Third, support organizations fighting for digital rights and ethical AI. And finally, spread the word. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives on stories like this. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying woke is the only way to stay safe. Thanks for watching Silent Soul Scripts. Stay aware, stay alert, and keep questioning everything.